Hello guys, you're welcome back in your YouTube channel Test C Point. This set is for students who are preparing for BHU and UP cadet or other agricultural exam. So let's start now this practice set. So first question is, which one of the following is a vitamin? Option is benzoic acid, ascorbic acid, formic acid and oxalic acid. So right answer of this question is ascorbic acid, B option, because vitamin C is known as ascorbic acid. Second question, the International Rice Research Institute is situated at option Manila, Philippines, Cuttack, India, Dhaka, Bangladesh, Tokyo, Japan. So IRRI is located at Philippines, Manila. First option is right. Next question, phytohormone produced by a fungus is. This question is for you. So provide me answer of this question in comment box. So next question is, Jhum cultivation is commonly known as option reforestation, slash and burn agriculture, deforestation, forest conservation. So right answer of this question is slash and burn agriculture. B option is right. Next question. One of the greenhouse gas is option hydrogen, methane, oxygen, helium. So right answer of this question is methane. B option is right. Next question. Salinity of oceanic water is approximately in the range of 3.5%. So here this option is right. Next question. The fungus used as biocontrol agent is first option fusarium, second trichoderma, third penicillium and last phoma. So biocontrol agent is right here, trichoderma. B option is right. Next question. Viroids contains A option protein only, DNA only, RNA only. So viroids contains right answer of this question C option RNA only. Next question is, nematophores are found in option Rhizopogon, Rhizophora, Hydrilla, Nymphia. So nematophores are present in Rhizophora. Next question, tomato belongs to family. Option is Liliaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae and last Rosaceae. So family of tomato is Solanaceae. C option is right. Next question, the function of phloem is option first option conducting tissue for water, second conducting tissue for minerals, provide mechanical strength to the plant, and last transport of sugars. So right answer of this question is transport of sugars. D option is right. Next question, an example of genetically modified crop variety is. So option of crop variety is IR8, Sonalika, golden rice, IR36. Right answer of this question is golden rice. C option is right. Next question, algae group which lack sexual reproduction is. So right answer of this question is BGA, blue green algae. Next question, process of water oxidation through hydrothores is known as option guttation, transportation, evaporation, bleeding. Right answer of this question is guttation. A option is right. Next question, ostrich belongs to the class first Mammalia, second Aves, Reptilia and Archaeopteryxia. Right answer of this question is Aves class. Next question, the concept of binomial nomenclature was given by. Answer of this question is Linnaeus. Next question, the first vertebrates to appear on the earth were. So this question for you, and give me answer of this question in comment box. Question 3 and question 17 for you. Next question, which law of Mendel is revealed by dihybrid cross? Option law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment, law of heterosis. So right answer of this question is law of independent assortment. C option is right. Next question, which of the following is called as Portuguese man of war? Option is Aurelia, Obelia, Physalia, Hydra. So right answer of this question is Physalia. C option is right. Next question, biological name of papaya. So first option Mangifera indica, Pseudium guazava, Ciceraritinum. Carica papaya. Right answer of this question, D option is right, Carica papaya. But first option is Mangifera indica is biological name of mango. Pisidium guava is biological name of guava. Ciceratium, biological name of chickpea. Carica papaya, biological name of papaya. Next question. The Central Tobacco Research Institute is located at in India. So first option is Kolkata, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, and last Rajahmundry. So right answer of this question is Rajahmundry. D option is right. Next question. The acid rain destroys vegetation because it contains ozone, citric acid, sulfuric acid, carbon monoxide. So right answer of this question is C option is right, sulfuric acid. Next question. Iodine is obtained from first option Laminaria, Polyphonia, Shara, Spirogyra. So iodine is obtained from Laminaria. A option is right. So next question is which vegetable oil suitable for heart patient? Option is sunflower oil, groundnut oil, mustard oil, soybean oil. So right answer of this question is sunflower oil. Next question. Polyploidy can be produced artificially by option is colchicine inbreeding, line breeding, or self-pollination. So right answer of this question is colchicine. A option is right. Next question. Triticale is obtained by crossing wheat with option is oat, barley, maize, rye. So right answer of this question wheat with rye. D option is right. Next question. Kranti, Pusa Agarni and Pusa Bold are improved varieties of option urad bean, sunflower, chickpea, mustard. So mustard is right. Next question. The term evergreen revolution has given by Dr. M. S. Swaminathan. Next question. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research is located at. So here IIVR. IIVR is located at Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research IISR is located at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So thanks for watching and like, share and subscribe Test You Point for more practice test. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.